today I'm going to be making a scallop with a bacon vinaigrette. You're gonna like this. So right here I have really tiny minced bacon. Has been in this pan for about 8 to 10 minutes on like a medium heat. So I'm just gonna put all the bacon into this dish, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of its fat to sear the scallop. So good little pieces of bacon bits and good bacon drippings to sear our scallop. I love to put just one little pat of butter in there too, to start the caramelization process as well. And once that butter foams up, you know that you're ready to cook your scallop. So I've got scallops today that are just beautiful. We're just gonna lightly season it with salt and pepper and go ahead and put the scallops in the pan. Don't crowd your pan. You want a good 1.5 inches of room between. And just let that sear. We're gonna let that go. I'm gonna season the other side and get really nice color. What I like to do is sear it heavily on one side and lighter on the other side. In a whisk, I'm gonna add minced shallots. These are cut up really small. Some Dijon mustard, whatever you have at home. I love using sherry vinegar in this recipe. So you mix that up really nicely. Let's add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. And I'm gonna add a little bit of some of the fat, residual fat that I have in my bacon bits. And that will start the vinaigrette process. Whisk that in, and then I'm gonna whisk in some olive oil and let that get nice and thick. Let's take a look and see how our scallops are doing. Oh yeah, that's what you're looking for. So that beautiful golden brown color is what you want. Go ahead and put your scallops down on a plate. So I like to serve like a platter in the center of the table. Beautiful. Then top it with some of this vinaigrette that we made, just slightly. And of course, don't forget about the bacon bits. And there we have it, seared scallops with a bacon vinaigrette. Just delicious. It's calling your name. Check out my recipe for seared scallops and a warm bacon vinaigrette online at checkpleasefl.com.